How has it affected your life basis capital gains tax or income tax or property tax? What?
Basically, I'm into business, so it has
हाँ,
not affected as such.
हाँ.
It has not affected as such.
Hmm.
But you can say
Investments? Yeah.
in every sector, because we are from developing line. Na, in every sector, it's not affected as much. But you can show the middle class people are
have
getting little affected.
Yeah. Because
So,
of the long-term gains,
Long
capital
term
gains.
gains, short term gains, both.
Everything.
And as per Nirmala is saying, ki they are not interested for middle class people for options trading. Why?
Why?
It's their choice.
Absolutely.
Naya
Because
Rupia, it's
maybe
his choice.
Yeah. How do you plan to change your investment styles? Do you plan to change your investment or you keep plan
Probably
to keep
I'll
it same?
say ki go for real estate.
हाँ.
It's a best option nowadays because
Okay.
the real estate market in Mumbai is going to have a great fall.
Because of the redevelopments and other things.
Everything because इतना supply हो गया है ना कि अभी they are not people who are going to purchase.
Okay.
So go for it. तोड़ो बिल्डर्स लोग को भाव तोड़ो सब तोड़ो खरीदो.
And indexation affect हुआ है because of the new rules. So will that affect?
बहुत
That will affect.
You can say so कि 20 से 25% market fall हुआ है
Okay.
in real estate sector. Go
So you
खरीदो.
should buy now.
हाँ,
Real estate is the
everyone
best
should buy.
choice.
Everyone should buy.
Great. Are you working?
No, I'm a student.
You're a student. Did you go through the recent budget and the changes that have come in the budget?
Yeah, I don't know everything
much
about
about
it,
it, yeah.
but I just know about how it affected stocks and investing and all that.
Yeah.
I just know that previously short-term investing had the extra like the taxes and all,
Yeah.
and now even the long-term investing has like I think
Capital
it went
gains,
from
10 to 12.5.
10
Good.
to 12.5.
Yeah, you're
and
aware of
something to 12 to 15. I think.
Yeah. That's
So
short term.
that So
15
now,
to 20.
Yeah, exactly.
Short term.
So now even long-term investors doesn't have any,
Yeah.
benefit of long-term investing
Hmm.
in our own country.
Okay.
So that's the main thing I know.
But people are checking how has budget affected their lives?
Budget has not made any impact to the income tax, payers. Middle class.
salaried.
So I'm disappointed with the budget.
Okay.
We could have got better rebates in the overall tax slab
Yeah.
because 1,50,000 limit and all this is going from last 7-8 years.
Correct.
And at 6%, 7% inflation, there is no indexation. So it's a big loss and a disappointment. Yeah.
Term and long term capital gains taxes?
I think that is fine because they have reduced from 20% to 12.5%.
No, they've increased from 10 to 12.5 long term capital gains.
अच्छा okay. यार उस पर ज़्यादा अभी मैंने नहीं किया. I'll calculate.
Yeah.
I'll do the calculations.
Yeah. But where do you invest currently, or do you plan to change your investments?
यार I invest in real estate basically.
Interesting.
Yeah.
But real estate में भी indexation benefits निकाल दिए गए.
निकाल लिए गए हाँ. So अभी the government is trying to grip us from all directions.
So you're affected.
Yeah, absolutely.
What any suggestions you have for the government? See, generally ऐसे cases में क्या होता है? There are two things. Either there'll be an economic fall or a government fall. What do you think might happen?
We see the government has recently come in power, so I don't think there's going to be any fall in the government.
Yeah, at least for the next term.
Yeah, so
current term.
it's just the common people who are affected and impacted, and we'll wait for the next 5 years until we plan to change the government.
Yeah. And what about the last question? What about the state elections? Do you think that will affect individual
Sure,
state
sure,
elections?
sure.
Like Maharashtra is coming like next 6 months.
Maharashtra, I think it's going to be that Uddhav Thackeray
Uddhav
and
Sena.
Yeah.
You think they'll be preferred
Yeah.
more because of this
Yes.
change? Okay.
कौन सा बजट आया नया जो निर्मला सीतारमण ने नया बजट जो लॉन्च किया है उससे आपका लाइफ अफेक्ट हुआ है इन्वेस्टमेंट या टैक्स वगैरह कुछ बोलना चाहिए नहीं देखा आइडिया नहीं है टैक्सेस
Discuss to people. Budget has affected the life of the people. And how can it be better?
He has many views on the budget, many views.
Okay. Yeah. So y'all are. I've heard y'all are CA students, right?
Yeah.
You all are.
Yeah.
You too.
Yes.
And you also.
Yes.
So we are just trying to ask normal people how the budget has affected their daily life. So your thoughts on the new budget?
Well, I mean the new tax imposition on long-term gains are, I think so that's not required from 20% to 12.5, but you're also removing indexation
From 10% to 12.5 on the long-term capital gains.
long-term, and you remove indexation with that.
Yeah.
So a person who's had a property in 2002 for 5 lakhs and now you're going to sell it for 1 crore or something,
Yeah.
but now you don't have the benefit of indexation.
Correct.
So I think that's one aspect.
Correct.
Other than
So
that, I
that
think
will affect your debt funds and your real
Yeah,
estate,
yeah.
and long-term capital gains will affect your long-term mutual funds, SIPs that people are doing. Anything else
Yeah,
that you highlight?
Other than that, I don't think so. I mean, due to this also, when inheritance is also taken,
Yeah.
so that is also affected. So now if my dad is going to give me a property, now that also no indexation benefit I'm going to get.
Correct.
So I think so majorly, at least from my view, I feel that is the most affected, at least for the normal person.
For middle class people,
Yeah.
right? And even so, we are paying a lot of income tax, right? As people, as citizens, and we're not getting enough returns. We are getting shabby roads, shabby infrastructure, not good hygiene, no insurance, medical facilities are bad, education is bad. What do you think about that? Should income tax slabs also be improved?
I think if we're going to increase taxes, at least improve the welfare at least of the people. I'm looking at countries like Norway, or if I look at Sweden, they charge good tax rates, but they're having facilities to back that.
Yeah.
I'm going to USA, I'll get a lot of benefits. I'm going to Canada, I have free healthcare.
Yeah.
I'm also paying taxes, but at least I'm getting something back.
Absolutely.
I live 3 hours away from here.
Oh.
Now I don't have the facility of metros. Metros construction has been delayed. Project was given, project was cancelled.
Yeah.
So a lot of things are affecting me.
And as a CA, any suggestion to the government for improving your future?
If I'll talk about the CA curriculum, as such, though currently it's very nice. I hope the welfare at least of the country is improved, because a lot of students are right now going abroad.
Yeah, they're migrating.
We're doing CA plus CFA plus CPA. They're going to USA and becoming CAs over there instead of over here. Now if you're looking at the influx of startups in India and the amount of requirement we need, especially qualified people to look at the new startups, how to finance them. CAs can play a very big role, but there's not enough benefits. There's no incentive for me to stay here. I'd rather go to US, I'll get good package. I'll help the companies over there rather than over here.
And better facilities for
Yeah.
the taxes you're paying there.
Yes, I'm getting better facilities as well.
Do you think this will also impact the next elections or even the state elections which are going to happen in next 6 months in Maharashtra?
I am.
Will the budget affect that?
I mean, I am no place to speak about
government.
government over here, but I think definitely there's going to be some backlash at least from the people.
Interesting.
आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे? बजट आपको समझ में आया, नहीं आया? हाँ? नहीं समझ आया? अच्छा, okay. And are you aware that the short-term and long-term capital gains taxes have increased? Sorry, short-term capital gains tax has increased from 15% to 20%. Correct. And long-term has increased from 10% to 12%. So will that affect your day-to-day savings or your future investments? The point-to-point has not, the latest one has not gone through. Only on the slabs, the first thing on the income tax slabs have gone through. But in detail, I have not gone through. Will have to do it to go. So, thanks so much. Thank you. Do you have any input? No input. So the budget has affected your lives. Would you have?
You haven't checked that out. Would you be?
I was only concerned about the part where, you know, if my salary bracket has that
has
sort
affected.
of. It has. Of
It
course
has
it
affected.
A little bit, but yeah.
And what about?
What do you think about the budget?
I think the budget had its pros and cons, but from an investor point of view, because they increased the long-term capital gain from 10% to 12.5%, that hinders people from investing long-term, which is not good for a growth country like India, where the middle class is growing and people should be incentivized to invest more. So yeah, that's a big con. One pro is the fact that they increased standard deduction from 50,000 to 75,000, which is again good for the middle class. But overall, the government needs to look at where they are charging GST, for example. They are charging 18% GST on insurance, which really isn't required. There are other heads also where they are charging 18% on GST, 18% GST, which is not required. So I feel like again. Madam Sitaraman has chosen to go with businesses and large organizations and trying to get them a better deal.
And not help the middle class.
The middle class has got a raw deal again. You know, ideally the middle class should get a deal where they are incentivized to earn more, spend more, and invest more. But I don't think any of those heads are being taken care of by the government. So yeah, all in all, the budget was okay, but nothing for investors, nothing for small business people, nothing for the middle class to look forward to, which is a big disappointment.
And do you think this will affect people migrating outside of India?
I think the middle class soon, the hard-working middle class, the young men and women of India will realize that they are paying taxes, and you know, it was a matter of pride for me 6 years ago to pay my income tax for the first time. It was a matter of pride, but now looking back, I don't know what that money is done for me. I don't see any returns from that. Even from infrastructure point of view, you know, you have the new Parliament building that was leaking in 1 year.
We have so many flood issues happening.
And apparently the British Parliament building that was built 100 years, there was no leakage. So it's a joke. You know, it's maybe they allocate X amount of money for a project by the government, but only 0.1x goes to that project.
So there's no enough return on the taxes.
There's not. There isn't, and it's. I don't see that changing. I think the only thing that can help it change is complete transparency as to where, say, India's government earns 10,000 crores in income tax. We need a breakup of where that 10,000 crores is going.
They have
that
given the
should-
breakup. I think most of it is going in freebies. Some of it is going
how
in.
much of it is true or transparent.
Okay.
But yeah, at some point, you know, the Indian public should wake up and see that, hey, we need to know where our tax money is going. And it's hard-earned money. We are not a country like Dubai where there's no tax. We are not a country like America where there is high amounts of taxes, but also high amount of facilities given by the government.
The returns on the
returns
taxes
on the
are very
taxes
high.
are very high for developed nations. So if India wants to be a superpower and developed nation in 15, 20, 30 years, we need to get our money churning from the public. As in I said, the public needs to earn more, spend more, save more, invest more. And that's a cycle that the government
vicious
collects
cycle.
taxes.
And it helps the
yes,
economy in
yes.
turn. And we've also seen a lot of migration happening from India
Correct.
to other countries.
Brain drain, and that's going to happen continuously because you're going to get a better bang for your buck in your time in another country.
Correct.
You work hard in Dubai, you don't pay taxes. You work hard, study and immigrate to America, you can earn a lot more money and pay more tax, but at least get a better quality of life.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, we see Mumbai flooding every year.
All
Andheri
cities,
subway,
all cities. We have seen
Mumbai,
Delhi,
Pune,
Gurgaon, Kerala.
Gurgaon,
We've seen a lot of cities in Kerala.
So I guess they do need to get their act together. Sure. Because I pay high income tax, and I, as a citizen that duly pays every rupee of income tax owed, I would want
You
to
need to see good returns.
yes. And there's millions of young people like us.
Absolutely.
that-
Who are disappointed.
Yeah, it is disappointing.
Yeah. And do you think that will affect the next term or the immediate term? We are having elections in the state in next 6 months.
I don't think it would affect because people aren't that socio-economically aware of what their votes can do, of what a budget can do for you over the 5-10 year term. People aren't as aware. Maybe if someone thoroughly educating the public as what the budget means for you could be a start. As in, people need to get aware about how a 5% long-term capital gain can compare to a 12.5% capital gain. How you can stimulate the economy by reducing taxes, especially in investing space. I believe also in futures and options, the STT has gone up.
Everything, SC is gone up,
so
ST is gone up.
It does not do well for the middle class.
Even for trading, it doesn't do well.
It doesn't.
One last question.
Sure.
Are you bullish about the future of India?
I'm very bullish for the future of India. I think because of hardworking people like you and I, we strive to make India a better place because it's our hope. Right? We feel comfortable here. We want it to grow. But of course, the power is consolidated with few families and few people. And they can't seem to get out of that bubble of whatever they're in. So I'm still bullish. I'm very bullish on India.
But the government needs to support us.
Government needs to, yes. And government needs to behave like a government. Not like an aristocracy or a unit that believes they are larger than the people. They have to behave
because
like a
they are
government.
public servants.
They are public
End
servants.
of the day. It's we the people, we the sovereign.
Yes.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.